Okay, so these inequalities that I have written here are examples of two variable inequalities in which the solution sets are what are going to be called half planes. In order to solve questions like this, you have to have knowledge of linear functions and be able to graph lines. So you have to know about slope, y-intercepts, x-intercepts, and all the different equations that linear equations in all their forms. The first question here is the most trivial line that you can draw in space, where the y and the x values are exactly the same. So let me try that again, where y equals x. So to solve the inequality, you have to first graph the equality, y equals x. So that's the line, y equals x. Now, if I want to decide like where is y greater than x, this is what I'm trying to solve. I got to decide which portion or which half of this plane. Remember, remember this two-dimensional surface that this graph is what we're working on. It's called the xy plane. Okay, it's a two-dimensional infinite surface. So if I chop it in half with a line like I've done here, I need to decide which side am I going to take. So for the greater than sign, you're going to be drawing regions above the line. Now, if you aren't convinced, you can always take a test point. So just grab a test point that's in your region that you believe is the solution. So I'll just grab a point out here, like, I don't know, say -2, 2. And we'll just see, is y in fact greater than x? And because this is so trivial, you can see that yes, 2 is greater than -2, so therefore I have the correct region shaded. So in the next example here, I'm going to have to first isolate y so that I can draw a graph for it. Okay, so moving the 2y to the other side, dividing through by 2, I have a 3/2 x plus 3 less or equal to y. So there I have drawn this curve, or this line, pardon me, with, you can see that the graph has a slope of 2, or pardon me, 3/2, where the run is 2 and the rise is 3, and the y-intercept is a positive 3. So now I have to decide where is y greater or equal to this line. So for greater than or equal to, I'm going to be drawing above. So this is the region, the half plane that I'm looking for. And because it's a greater than or equal to sign, I have a solid line right there, solid. Actually, this takes me back to my first example. I have a mistake here in terms of my notation. This line should actually be a dotted line, like that. Yeah, and that's just a notation thing here. A strictly greater than means I'm going to have a dotted line, and greater than or equal to right there is a solid line. And for the final graph here, because of this strictly less than sign, I need to have a dotted line, and that's just for notation. Now, so ask yourself, where is y less than this line? Okay, 3/4 x plus 3 is this line. So where is y less than that? So that would be below. Okay, so that's it. This is a line with a run of 4 and a rise of 3, and it goes through y-intercept of 3. Okay, and where is y less than it? It would be below. Thank you.